Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you care about your health and want to enjoy life to the fullest, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about a very important topic for those of you in your 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond. Have you ever stopped to think that some of your daily habits may be hurting your body without you even knowing it? It may surprise you to learn that the little things we do every day can add up over time and lead to problems with our energy, mobility, and overall well-being. In this video, we'll uncover 8 harmful habits that you should stop immediately. Whether it's how you sit for long periods of time, the foods you choose, or even the way you think about your day, each habit can have a real impact on your health. I promise to explain each habit in simple terms so that it's easy to understand and put into practice. And if you find these tips helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy and practical health tips. Your support means a lot and helps us share more helpful tips with you. Let's jump right in and look at these habits. Let's start with number 8 and work our way to number 1. The most important habit to change for a better, healthier life. Habit 8. Lack of daily movement. Many of us spend long hours sitting, whether it's watching television, reading, or just relaxing. However, this habit can make our muscles weak and our bodies feel sluggish over time. When we don't move enough during the day, our knees can get stiff and our scales can get worse. It's important to remember that even simple movements help our bodies stay active and strong. Consider adding small activities to your day, such as getting up every hour, stretching between tasks, or taking short walks. These actions not only help improve blood flow, but they also increase your energy levels and stamina. Every little bit of movement counts, so even if it's just moving around the house, it makes a difference to your overall health. Habit 7. Forgetting to eat healthy foods. Forgetting to eat healthy foods, especially a nutritious dinner, can leave your body without the fuel it needs to start the day. When you miss a balanced dinner, your energy levels can drop and you may feel tired or weak. A proper dinner gives your body the vitamins, minerals, and energy it needs to function at its best. Eating regular meals helps keep your blood sugar levels up and your metabolism active. Instead of skipping dinner, try planning a simple, healthy dinner or lunch, even if it means a small dinner. Preparing dinners ahead of time or having healthy options on hand can make a big difference in keeping your energy and overall well-being up throughout the day. Habit 6. Not drinking enough water. Water is essential for keeping our body systems functioning properly. When we don't drink enough water, our bodies can become dehydrated, which can lead to feeling tired, fatigued, or even foggy at times. Dehydration can affect your skin, your energy, and even your thinking. Drinking water helps flush out toxins and keeps your organs, muscles, and joints functioning smoothly. Try keeping a cup of water nearby throughout the day and adding small reminders if needed. Even if you don't feel tired, drinking regular cups can help maintain your energy levels and overall health. Remember, water is one of the easiest and most effective ways to support a healthy body. Habit 5. Overeating healthy foods. We often indulge in foods that are high in sugar, salt, or fat. While these sweet treats may make us feel happy for a short while, overeating them can often lead to long-term health problems. Overeating healthy foods can contribute to weight gain, high blood pressure, and heart problems. These foods often don't provide the nutrients your body really needs. Instead of relying on them, try incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your diet. Planning your meals in advance can help you avoid reaching for less healthy options when hunger strikes. Small changes, like choosing a piece of fruit over a candomble, can add up over time and help you feel more energized and balanced. Habit 4. Ignoring your sleep needs. Sleep is one of the most important parts of staying healthy, but many of us take it for granted. When you don't get enough sleep, or the pain you have is of poor quality, it can affect almost every part of your life. Poor sleep can leave you feeling tired, dirty, and less able to handle daily tasks. It can also affect your immune system and even affect your stomach. Establishing a regular bedtime, creating a calm bedtime routine, and making sure your sleeping environment is comfortable can make a big difference. Even small changes, like turning off screens an hour before bed or keeping your bedroom cool and quiet, can help improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. Habit 3. Forget, stretch, or exercise. Regular movement is essential to maintaining both physical and mental health. Forgetting to stretch or do other forms of exercise can lead to stiffness in your muscles and knees. Over time, This lack of movement can make daily activities more difficult and even increase your risk of falling. Even if you're not able to do a full workout, incorporating simple or enjoyable exercises into your daily routine can have a positive impact. Activities such as a short walk, slow yoga, or even a few minutes of stretching in the morning can help improve your flexibility, increase circulation, and maintain your balance. These simple practices not only help keep your body active, but they also contribute to a brighter environment and a more relaxed mind. Habit 2. Forgetting to have regular health checkups. Many of us sometimes think that if we feel fine, there's no need to visit the doctor. However, forgetting to have regular health checkups can be dangerous because it can mean missing early signs of health. Routine health checkups are important for finding small problems before they become big ones. When you see your doctor regularly, you give yourself the opportunity to discuss any concerns, update your medications, and receive advice on keeping your body strong. A regular visit to your doctor can help monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol, and other important health indicators. It's a proactive step that not only keeps you informed about your current health, but also helps you plan for a healthier future. Think of it as a way to stay one step ahead, keeping your health on track so you can enjoy your daily activities without worry. Even if you feel fine, a quick check-in can make all the difference in maintaining a vibrant and active life. Habit 1. Living with a negative mindset. Perhaps the most important change you can make is to work on your mindset. Living with a negative mindset means holding on to thoughts that make you feel low, stressed, or unhappy, and this can really affect your overall well-being. Negative thinking can affect your heart, your sleep, and even the way you feel about your daily life. When you dwell on negative thoughts, it can increase your stress levels and make it harder to bounce back from even small setbacks. Instead, try shifting your focus to the positive parts of your life. Practice gratitude by thinking about the little things that make you smile and engaging with people who encourage and support you. It might also help to set aside a few minutes each day to relax or meditate, to clear your mind and invite positive energy. Over time, positive thinking can lead to better health, improved relationships, and an overall more joyful life. And there you have it. 8 habits that can keep you on track to living a healthier, happier life by moving a little more every day, enjoying balanced foods, drinking plenty of water, choosing better foods, getting enough sleep, staying active, keeping track of your bills, and nurturing positive thinking. You are taking important steps to take care of your body and mind. Remember, it's never too late to change a habit or start a new, healthier routine. Thanks so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more easy, actionable health tips. Don't forget to share this video with friends or family who could benefit from making some positive changes in their lives. Leave a comment below to let us know which tip you're most excited to try or if you have any other suggestions. Stay positive, stay active, and take care of yourself every day. See you in the next video.